Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be eating some animal style fries. I got those together and I've been craving them. But I've never gotten a milkshake or tried one. But I got one today, the chocolate milkshake. And yeah, let's get started. So this is what I'm gonna be eating today, as well as the milkshake. But yeah. So, I started school, on Monday. Well, last week. And, like, it's, like, good that I'm going back to school. But, like, it's, like, stressful because, like, I have to write a bunch of essays for all 3 classes. And then, like do, like, responses. And it has to be, like, a specific amount of words that I have to, write. And, like, a bunch of quizzes, like, every week. I mean, like, it's online, so I can just, like, Google the answers. But, like, it's stressful because, like, I can't find, like, it'll say, how do you define this, or blah, blah, blah. Or what does this mean? And, like, I'll have to, like, look it up in the textbook. And when I look at it, when I try to find it, I can't find it and it doesn't make sense. So then I have to Google it. Why did I say that word? Google it. And it still wouldn't make sense. So, like, so there I am, like, at 3 in the morning. Because it's, like, frustrating. And, like, I think I'm having, like, a midlife crisis. Because, like, I'm like thinking that, I'm, like, going nowhere in life. And that I'm getting old. But it's like, why am I thinking that? Like, because I'm always thinking, like, oh yeah, oh, next year I'm gonna be 23 and I still haven't done anything with my life. Even though I just turned 22 like 2 months ago, so I still have 10 months to go until I'm like 23. And it's like, why am I thinking that if I'm, like, still young? And, like, what's the whole point of rushing if I'm still gonna feel that way? Because, like years before, I would be, I'm still the same. Like, oh yeah, I'm not doing anything with my life. Even though, like, all I do is just, like, pay bills and work. Maybe that's why. Or, like, I need, like, something different. If I'm like that, like the whole I'm going nowhere in life because of, like, stress. But, like, it's like, why am I rushing into things? Why do I want to rush into things when I'm probably still gonna be miserable? And then like for like the past, since like Monday, I've been crying like every 5 business minutes. And it's like, why am I crying? Like I was even gonna go like I was gonna go like on a drive and clear my head, but gas is expensive, so I just went back. I was like going, but then I like turned around because like gas is expensive. So like I try to like sleep it off, but then I had to do homework again. And like I've been doing it all week. And it's stressful. This milkshake is good. I'm probably gonna have pain later because I can't have like dairy. But it's still good. And I'm a sucker for chocolate, so that's why I got chocolate. And like last week, like when I started school, I was at the gym. And I don't know why I just started crying. It's like it's supposed to be my happy place where it's like the place I go to like feel like normal or like de-stress or something. So why did I start to cry? But like I'm like, no, I'm not gonna cry in front of people. Because like I hate crying. Especially when it's in front of people. Like I'll cry like in my room. But not in front of people. I can't cry in front of people. It's just weird. Well, like for me. But at least I haven't cried anymore. So that's good. I think maybe like it's the like when I was like you know how like when you're like younger, like your family saw like, oh yeah, you have to do this and be successful in life, or I mean like yeah, like everyone like wants to be successful, but like by the time you're you're this old, you have to like have like make 6 figures and like have a house, like get married, get kids, blah 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 blah, and like just continue working like with no vacations. And like so like it's like you work your ass off like for life, and then like you finally retire like when it's time to, and you die. So it's like you're like you didn't get to do whatever you wanted to do, like travel or something. Like there's more to life than just like working until you die. This is sad video. I apologize. Like when I was like younger, I always wanted to like travel the world. Well, I still do. But like back then I didn't have a car. Cause I was like what, 8? And like now I have a car. Like why can't life just be like simple? Right. I don't know what it is, but like there's like something like therapeutic about like just sitting in your car. Especially if it's like at night, but also kind of like creepy because like someone might like appear. Like on the bright side, like I'm not like stress eating again. Because like in the beginning, like I would like stress eat a lot, which is not good. On the bright side, I wouldn't stress drink. Also, because I wasn't. I think that like maybe it's like the pressure our families like put into us that causes us to be like stressed and rushing into things. And like it's also like weird and annoying that like if by like a certain time or age, like you didn't have kids, you're not married, blah blah blah, they'll always be asking, oh, when are you gonna get a boyfriend, or when are you gonna get married, or when are you gonna have kids, when they can't mind their own business. Why am I putting with freaking? Because like every time like they always ask me that, I always feel like saying, when are you gonna, your kid's gonna move out or something. I'm bad at comebacks, but like, cause like this is why like I don't say it. Like, one, cause like I'm like it will be seen as disrespectful, even though they deserve it. And two, like the comebacks like aren't that great until like 15 minutes later, when I'm like, I should have said that. Cause like why are they like so worried about what I'm doing? Like, bro, what if I don't want kids? What if I want to get a cat and just travel the world? Okay, so my ratings for the milkshake. I mean, the fries are 10 out of 10, as always. Cause like those are my favorite. And the milkshake, which is my first time trying it, I give it a 10 out of 10 too. And I love chocolate, so it's like really good. But yeah, 10 out of 10. Would recommend. well, this end of the video. I hope you guys liked it, and stay tuned for more. And stay tuned for the Friday vlog days, which is gonna be like another Marshalls haul, because I mentioned it in the previous vlog day that came out on Friday. But yeah, anyways, stay tuned for more. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Do you ever have like why can't life just be like simple? Right. Well, this ended the video. Oh wait, bleh. Hey guys, well, and bleh.